welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you guys how to get your teeth to look very white very quickly in a natural way. So before I jump into this video and share with you guys my personal oral hygiene routine, you guys are already watching my video and you're already on my channel, so let's just take this opportunity to subscribe and hit that notification button down below. So I'm gonna give y'all a second. Okay, for the sake of this video and it not being super boring, I'm going to kind of reenact my routine for you guys that I do every morning and night. Except for the oil pulling, I do want to mention the oil pulling is only done in the morning. So I already gave away one thing that I do, but yeah, I'm just gonna reenact it for you guys and tell you some of the benefits as we go on. I hope it's informative to you guys because it's highly requested, whether it be through social media, on YouTube, or in person. I always get complimented on my teeth and how I get my teeth to look so white. So here you go, this is it. I did, however, post a video a couple years back, which is still very relevant if you guys want to get professional results at home. I still recommend Smile Brilliant, so I'll put that in the description box below. Any of those methods are cool if you need an instant white smile for like a special occasion or something like that. But the products that I use now for my routine pretty much focuses on the health of my teeth, but it promotes whiteness as well, which is perfect when it comes to, you know, your smile. You want a bright white smile. So these are the things that I use, and no, none of these products are sponsored in any way possible. I wish they were because I have been using these products consistently. However, I will leave my personal direct link to Amazon in the description box below to the specific product that I use. Yeah guys, let's head on into the video now. The first thing I do is oil pulling. It's best to do this in the morning on an empty stomach. If you didn't know, it has so many benefits. It prevents tooth decay, bad breath, inflammation, it whitens your teeth, it soothes throat dryness, heals cracked lips, it strengthens your gums, your jaw, boosts immunity, and it detoxifies your body. It's just amazing. Alright guys, so you need about 1 tablespoon and you just swish this in your mouth for 20 minutes. In this time, I usually do my morning stretching, listen to music, get my breakfast prepared, or do my makeup. You can do so much. The oil that I use is triple filtered, so it has no aroma or flavor. But you guys, definitely do not swallow this because it contains a lot of bacteria and toxins, so don't swallow. Spit it out and then we can move on to brushing our teeth. Alright guys, so to brush my teeth, I use activated charcoal toothpaste. Now this comes as a set that I purchased from Amazon. It also comes with a bamboo toothbrush. I love it because the bristles are so incredibly soft. And it does come in mint flavor, so your breath will just be nice and refreshing after. I love this formula because they made the transition to charcoal so easy, just like any other toothpaste. Some benefits of this is that it's natural and organic. It provides deep cleaning to my mouth along with removing toxins. It's gentle on the enamel, and it also promotes whitening, and it just polishes my teeth. And I like to have some music playing in the background when I'm getting ready in the morning, because for a lot of people, brushing your teeth and just, you know, getting ready can be a really boring process, especially when it comes to flossing. I like to use these dental flosses that has like the sharp ends at the bottom, and like I said, I'm just kind of like demonstrating this to you guys for the sake of the video, but obviously I take my time with flossing and like really get in there and get all that gunk out of your teeth. This is so important for the health of your gums. And you guys, a tongue cleaner is a must, especially if you know you have a little funky breath. Tongue cleaner will be your best friend. This is the charcoal powder, and to be honest with you guys, I avoid this in the morning. At night, it's perfectly fine because you're going to bed, no one cares. But in the morning, it's just too messy, it gets everywhere, it gets under your nails, and I just don't got time for it, okay? But I do want to note that the charcoal powder works just the same as the toothpaste. It's just a little more tedious when it comes to cleaning up, that's all. This is the set that I ordered from Amazon. I noticed the price went up a tad, but it's still under $15, which is not bad because you get 2 products and a toothbrush. Alrighty you guys, that is it for my routine. I hope you liked it. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you guys. Make sure to share this video if you thought it was pretty informative. Like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one.